how to add subtitles in Descript. And I think the easiest way to do this is to use captions. So what you're going to do is highlight the section of the video that you want to add subtitles to. So let's say we want to do the portrait mode, which is good for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. And we want to add some cool subtitles down here. So we would just highlight the section of the video that we want to add the subtitles to and say insert. So I just right clicked. You can also push Control K to bring up this thing. I forget what they call it, the conductor or something like that. And then just type captions and it will add captions to your video. And we can see right now that it is automatically synced up with your transcription and your video. And if you click on the captions, then you can go over here and you can adjust all the different settings. You can change the font, you can change the colors. That's the easiest way to do subtitles for your video. And there's so many options. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video about Descript. It really means a lot. If you found any value in it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. And check out the links in the description below this video for other helpful videos in the series and also some other helpful links to help you be more productive in your Descript journey and in your business. Thanks for watching.